Vadodara, the cultural capital of Gujarat, is the third largest city after Ahmedabad and Surat. The Vadodara constituency grabbed the eyeballs when BJP announced that their PM candidate Narendra Modi would contest on the seat. After the announcement, Congress changed its strategy and then decided to field their General Secretary Madhusudan Mistry instead of Narendra Rawat to take on Modi. On one side we have Mistry, who is known to have a strong vote base in the tribal areas of Gujarat, and on the other side there is Modi, who is concentrating his energy in rallying across the country rather than campaigning in his own constituency. He has delegated a job to the local party workers.
अगर वो प्रेजेंट हुए या नहीं हुए वो विषय है नहीं. यहाँ पे कांग्रेस का कोई उम्मीदवार जैसा कुछ है नहीं. इनफैक्ट वो डिपॉजिट बचा सकेगा कि या न बचा सकेगा वही क्वेश्चन है. सो हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे मोदी जी को द पीपल ऑफ बड़ौदा विल give a thumping majority.
Madhusudan Mistry has been campaigning since the day his candidature from the seat was announced. He, however, does not worry much about his opponent Narendra Modi.
नरेंद्र मोदी के खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ने जा रहे, कितनी बड़ी चुनौती मानते हैं?
कोई बड़ी चुनौती नहीं. मैं भी कैंडिडेट हूँ, वो भी कैंडिडेट है.
But Madhusudan Mistry has a tough task in hand. Vadodara is known to be the safest seat for BJP in Gujarat. Except for a brief interlude of 2 years between 1996 to 1998, the party has clung on to the constituency regularly since 1991. The BJP also holds all the 7 assembly seats of Vadodara.
Baroda is a BJP bastion. Baroda is also an RSS bastion, क्योंकि RSS पे वर्चस्व महाराष्ट्रियनों का है और बड़ौदा में महाराष्ट्रियनों की बहुत बड़ी तादाद है. जो RSS चुस्त है और RSS चुस्त है इसलिए वो BJP चुस्त भी है. इसलिए बड़ौदा में भाजपा के प्रत्याशी को बहुत ज्यादा प्रचार किए बगैर चुन के आना सहूलियत भरा काम है.
BJP has been showcasing Narendra Modi as its prime ministerial candidate, and the people of Gujarat are excited about the fact. The opponents, however, are targeting him over local issues. In the last elections, out of the 26 parliamentary constituencies, BJP won 15 seats, whereas Congress had managed only 11 seats. In this scenario, what remains to be seen is whether Mistry would be able to give Modi a tough fight. With inputs from Nishant Saurabh in Vadodara, Janadesh Desk, DD News.